loves, welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to be doing a day in the life. There has been so many changes and so much going on. I'm gonna have to fill you in during this video, but Hayden and I just dropped the big kids off at school. We have to run to the grocery store, and there is so much on my to-do list today. This video is sure to be packed with tons of motivation. I know that's what I need today, and thanks just so much for all of your support right now and for subscribing and clicking the thumbs up on this video. I really appreciate it. I just got Hayden down for his nap, and I don't know if he's gonna be able to actually sleep because there's a lot of like sawing and pounding noises from them doing the floors. But that's like the big change that's happening. I'll give you like a little peek of how it's going. All right, so you can see like the stairs are all completely demoed, and this was the first area that has gotten complete, but obviously just like everything kind of has to be pushed out of the way as they go room by room to work on this. But I'm so excited, and we have to wear shoes all the time in the house, by the way, because of this right now, but I am just so happy. Also just so happy because my sister is getting in town today, and we're gonna go wedding dress shopping for her tomorrow. I cannot wait. I'm so excited and so happy for her. But I do have, that means like a lot of cleaning. Like, again, everything is just like helter-skelter, I feel like, because of like how everything has to be moved. Like, you see how like the couches are like pushed into the centers of the room. Just nothing is in its place right now. I have tons of laundry to do because I just got back from a trip to London, and I leave in 4 days to go to Disney with Landon, Presley, and my mom. So have that packing to do today too, to make sure if there's like anything I need over the next 3 days before we go, that I have it. And gosh, I feel like there's more that I'm forgetting. There's just been like so much happening right now, but I am just so excited about it all, and just like really excited for all the fun holiday stuff that's coming up too, because that's the other thing I've been sort of planning for over the last week is the Christmas decorate with me, what I'm gonna do for Thanksgiving kind of stuff this year. So I can't wait about all of that. But okay, I always get chatty when I have a to-do list that I need to tackle, so let's go.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
Okay, the laundry is all done and folded. Got another load in the dryer right now. And I just heated up some leftovers for lunch. It's like hibachi steak. But I'm working on holiday content for this year. I'm so excited. You guys know that doing, whether it's decorate with me's or whether it's cooking around the holiday season, it's just all my favorite kind of stuff to share with you. And I have a couple of things that I always order super early, just in advance. And today what I was working on was gift wrap. So here you can kind of take a peek at the theme I'm going for this year. I like love this really pretty plaid paper. I'm just gonna incorporate in some pops of blush pink, like because these other papers down here had some pink in it as well. But I always like to order it early because some years I've had my eye on things and I don't order it and then it's gone. So I decided I'm just going to make sure I always get it early from now on, and that way as I buy the kids presents, I can just wrap things right away and sort of wrap as I go, and it just makes all that a lot easier too. And I have one of my favorite fall recipes that I'm gonna be sharing with you in a minute here. But first, I wanted to thank today's video sponsor, which is Our Place. They make the perfect pot and the Always pan. They're two of my absolute favorite pieces of cookware. I've been using them since we lived in Hawaii. I love the color. My color is the spice color. I feel like it just looks so beautiful there on the stove. It's like a showpiece. They have tons of other really trendy, beautiful colors though. And it's a women-owned company. And I feel like it just shows in how beautifully designed they are, but also in how functional they all are. Basically, the Always pan can take the place of 8 different pieces of cookware. You can boil noodles in it. You can saute things in it. And the functionality of all of these is just amazing. Like the fact that there's a built-in spoon rest. I just love that feature. And everything is non-stick, so it's so easy to clean. And it also makes, when you're cooking, you have to use less oils or fats. So I feel like everything I make in here is a lot healthier than it would ordinarily be if I wasn't using the Always pan or the perfect pot. And right now, Our Place is having a huge fall sale. There is 25% off all of their products site-wide besides gift cards. So I will have them linked down in my description box below so that you can check out the perfect pot and the Always pan and all the other Our Place products for your home and your kitchen. All right, and the recipe I wanted to share with you guys in today's video is this chicken quesadilla soup recipe. It's the perfect one for fall because it's just so cozy, and it's one of my favorite meals, honestly, year round, but I really, really love this one for fall. First, I'm gonna cook up a pound of boneless, skinless chicken tenders, and I just have a little bit of olive oil spray that I put on them. All right, once those are all cooked, you want to shred them up. Okay, and I put the shredded chicken to the side, and I have 1 chopped up white onion, and then 1 diced up green bell pepper, and a tablespoon of minced garlic, and you just wanna cook all of this until those veggies are slightly softened. And then 1 can of the diced tomatoes with the green chilies, 1 can of the Southwest corn, and 2 cans of drained black beans. And then 1 can of red enchilada sauce. And 1 cup of chicken broth, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Add that shredded chicken back in, around until it is mixed well. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat on to medium and wait until this is bubbling. Okay, and I just added in a softened block of cream cheese, and I'm just gonna kind of push this into the soup until it's all melted and stirred through. Helps make it nice and creamy. All right, now that this is all melted in, I'm just gonna turn it down to low until I'm ready to serve. Here is the finished soup. I just topped it with some sour cream, sliced jalapenos, some shredded cheddar cheese, the tortilla strips, and I squeezed a little bit of lime on it too. Oh, and I did do some chopped green onion on there, but it's so yummy. I hope you enjoy it when you try it. All right, time for the official taste test. A good bite here. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Promise me you'll try this recipe. And when you try it, tag me over on Instagram at Bits of Brie so I can share that you've had it too. So good. How was your nap? Did the construction noises wake you up? Hi, cutie. Aww. Yeah. And go get Landon and Presley from school? Yeah. Hello. Hello. The leaves are seriously so pretty right now. Do you see how the leaves are all changing colors? Come here. We gotta go this way to go get them. Come on. Hayden, come on. Yeah, where are you? See you? What are you doing? Oh, it's just so pretty right now. Love the fall. Yeah, come on. You gotta come on.
When can a leaf fall off a tree? This way, God is good. Let us thank him for our food. Amen.
Very good. Amen.
You got it.
Are you enjoying your donut?
Send that to Lola and Daddy. That is yours.
Oh my gosh. That yummy. You could pick it up and eat it, you know.
Take a picture of this.
Huh. Oh, now you're just trying to be like Hayden, huh? Oh my gosh. A no hands donut eating contest. Mmm, is it good? Oh my god. Aw. My babies. I love you guys.
I do. Would I please have that one?
Yes, go ahead, babe. Here's a napkin for it. Okay. Love you. I love those. It's like a little chocolate pumpkin.
I'll take a picture
too.
of me doing this.
What'd you say?
Night.
Night night. Oh. Oh, so sweet. You're the sweetest little thing. Got one shoe off. Got your shoe. Cutie pie. I want a kiss too. Thank you. Oh, how cute you look in your jammies for Halloween. They're so cute. Are you ready for bed? Ready to go night night? Yeah, night night. Good night. I love you. Night night.
Why don't you stay?
Night night. Good on you. I love you. All right, I'm exhausted. Kids are in bed, I think. Start something up there. I need to unload the dishwasher and just sort of clean up the kitchen. I fluffed my clothes that have been in the dryer. I think this is like the 5th time today, so I'd like to fold those. Set aside the stuff that I need for Disney. I'll kind of show you what I'm packing. And I don't know if there's anything else I need to do. Oh, I haven't even tidied up the basement yet. So we need to go tidy up the basement.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Like them.
Okay, I have 3 really simple Halloween lunch packing ideas for you. The first one, I picked up these little cookie cutters at Target, but I've seen them at Walmart. I know you can order very similar ones to Amazon too. I'm just gonna cut out their sandwiches in like cute little Halloween shapes. The second one, this is so easy, especially if you have to send in snacks for a Halloween party. I know a lot of time they're looking for things that aren't candy, like they want healthy ones. So I got some mandarin oranges. I think the ones with the like orange gel that they make look a little bit better, but you just draw on with a Sharpie the little pumpkin face. And because Landon's like got an allergy to oranges, like citrus, I got peaches too. So it kind of gives the same effect, but obviously the mandarin oranges are a little more orange. And then little hacker juice boxes. Just get the ones that are actually like the paper juice boxes. The non-paper ones don't really work through this well. They just don't stick, this adhesive tape. But just get the like white bandage adhesive tape from the pharmacy section. And you can just wrap it all around the juice box. And it's like really, you don't have to make this perfect at all. Like make it look kind of sloppy. It looks like a better mummy that way. And give it a cut. You can draw on little eyes. You can also glue on the googly eyes if you think that that would be cute too, but I kind of just like drawing it on with the Sharpie. I think it's faster and easier, and all just like so cute for lunches or for Halloween parties at school.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard.
All right, last thing we're doing in this video is cleaning our sink, because if you have not watched my past cleaning videos, fun fact, your sink gets dirtier than your toilet. So make sure you clean your sink every single day. I usually just go simple, dish soap and baking soda, and just kind of like scour the sink really, really good. We're gonna do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again to Our Place for sponsoring today's video. And thanks to you for subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, loves.
'Cause you can make it too.